welcome back to my channel. I made some moves. I got out and got back in. I want to buy the dip on Palantir is basically what happened. SOFI has really been kind of trading sideways. It hasn't really gone up to 25, 26, and that's what I was looking for. And then pretty much everything took a dive today. There is a some type of meeting going on that's causing the stock market to really take a dip, and they're waiting. Yeah, I got out of all my positions and then just kind of looked for the best position to get into. It looks like Palantir took the biggest hit today. It was down almost $11. So I took that discount and bought in. I bought 10 calls for an expiration of September 19th at the 167.50 strike price. You can see it here, and it's already down like $800, $700. But I think we're getting close to the bottom of the market for August, which typically trades low. I think we're at I guess you'd call it the candlestick. So I still think we'll close lower than what we opened at for August for the general stock market, but I think it's going to slowly go back up in September. My expiration's for the 19th of September, so I think it'll start going back up in September. We'll see what this meeting brings. I forget the name of the... Forget the name of the meeting. I'm trying to look it up here. The Jackson Hole Economic Symposium. It's a 3-day event where the Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome Powell, economists, academics, and government representatives discuss long-term policy issues affecting the global economy. This year's theme is labor markets and transition, demographics, productivity, and macroeconomic policy. Powell is expected to deliver a key speech during the symposium, which could have a significant impact on the markets. So all the markets are actually down ahead of that. My hope is that they'll talk about maybe lowering the interest rates. I know they don't actually do that in this meeting, but I'm hoping they discuss that, and I'll hopefully bring the markets back up. But right now, I'm just buying the dip. I'm hoping this will go back up to 170 or so. I think it could go to 200 or even higher than 200, but right now I'm buying the dip at 162. It was trading at around 170, between 170 and 180 at just a week ago. So it even got up to almost up to 190 at one point, it looks like. Yeah, so this is definitely a huge dip, a huge correction. It could still go down to 157. I think it could break 160. I don't think it will break 155. I think we're hitting resistance now. I think it's going to start going back up, but definitely a good opportunity to go back in. And just historically, this is how August trades. It definitely closes lower than what it opens at. I think we're at the low of I think we're at the bottom here. So we'll keep an eye on it. I'm definitely losing money right now, but I don't have it in super high risk stuff. I have those calls, which is pretty high risk. I think I got about $8,000 or $1,000 $8,000, $10,000. Yeah, about $8,000 into that. Out of my 38,000, I was up to almost 42,000 at one point. Yeah, but yeah, definitely lost some money here in the last day or so. And then I do have these calls. I did buy 2 calls. That's most of my money's wrapped up there. I have about 30,000 wrapped up in. I'm sorry, not the calls, but these puts I bought. I'm selling 2 puts. This is break-even price is 154.90. I don't see it going down to that, so I think we should be good here. We're going to keep an eye on it. My puts on my other 2 are just sitting right at the break-even price. Last time I left those open, I ended up losing a ton of money. That was on CoreWeave, so I'm not going to make that mistake again. I'm learning to get out take my loss and move on. So that's basically the way I'm looking at it. So that's what I'm doing now. My goal is to get to 44,000 by the 19th. So I'm hoping that these calls bring in that money. My goal is 10% a month from here on out. So it's kind of a high goal, but that's what I'm looking for. That once I get enough capital, I'll probably bump it down to 5%. But right now I'm looking for 10%. I think it's doable. Maybe I thought it was going to be doable with my positions I had open already, but definitely going in the wrong direction. So we'll see how things pan out. I'm hoping this meeting will get this market going back in the right direction. We'll see. If not, I'll definitely be getting out, and then I'll just hold on until the market starts to take a turn. I think the market will take a turn in September at some time. I just don't know when. So, but that's how things are going. I will definitely try to keep an update on how things are going. Again, I'm down quite a bit. Looks like about $2,200 from where I was sitting at before. But as you can see, it was just slowly going down and down and down. Oh, I did have an OKLO. I had an OKLO position too that was really causing some issues too. That was actually the one that was causing the most issues. Let me go back here. OKLO. Helps if I spell it right. Yeah, OKLO, I got in right around 70. I was selling puts at the break even price, or I'm sorry, the strike price was $75. And as you can see, it's just been going down and down and down and down. They did get a contract with the government, but they're not bringing in any money yet. So I'm just not real confident in OKLO. I think in a couple years when they start actually producing and making some revenue, I think this is going to be a great stock to get into. I think a lot of the money's already kind of built into it, but this OKLO I think is definitely a good stock to keep an eye on for the long term. I think in the next couple of years this thing could triple in price. So I'm not looking for that long term bet yet though. So I'm looking for 10% a month, so I can't really bet on that. But yeah, this is the one that was giving me some issues. Let me see if I can find the history on it. Yeah, I bought these puts here. I had a $75 put. I had two of them, and they were. I actually had four of them total, and you can see how I sold them here. I lost 4,000 on it, 4,400 on it, but it's all right. We'll buy the dip on Palantir. I'm more confident in Palantir anyway, so we'll see what it does. As for now, that's it. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments. I've gotten some comments on some other videos. It's fun to go back and forth. I had a really good comment on I think it was SOFI. Somebody talking about SOFI, so I appreciate the back and forth. I like talking to other people about it. It's good to bounce ideas off of people and see what they think. So definitely leave a comment if you have anything to say or have any suggestions. Definitely appreciate them. And subscribe if you're looking for any more videos. I'm going to keep posting once a week. I did end up getting a job. I should probably fill you guys in on that. I did end up getting a job. It's a remote IT job for the hospital that in the town that I live at, and my wife actually works at the hospital too. So it's like a dream job, not a dream job, but like it, and it's like if I were to, with my experience and what I'm looking to do and being able to work from home, it's perfect for me. So we'll see where that takes me. I start September 1st. I got some orientation stuff to do before then, but as for now, I start on September 1st, and I'll be working from home. I'll still be doing the stock market stuff, of course, too, because I want to keep making money. But yeah, that's it for now. I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.